na sunya say ni utirim adwene na anya adwuma abade ni na bre adwene na anya adwuma abade ni na bre okay yate since adwene na anya adwuma abade ni na bre na Abraham JSS utwa he agigre 79 asia no no yemfa nti kokopo why na dia pa adwuma ye adwuma wo de wadwene na beye na ma wo body ni mre. What you should be telling your followers and say, hey, mini, let me tell you the truth. What to better yourself, upgrade yourself. Hey, be a way, wouldn't be terrible, but we said that go terrible school to win certificate. A kufuadwa dauroma. A kufuadwa dauroma. Or see a native vet, look about Myanmar Colonchi, free technical vocation. Kobe, Miniaba. Kobe na wutina awobono e trainer awobono jihu paper e bia wo kire bi nkobre no e bi o kire bi nkobre no obi pe obi ababie e bia shop bi o Germany ope hairdresser di o matukwan Germany ho no kwa wo paper wo ye hairdresser say wo do paper kire say you are certified enye tesa Ghana wo bobo wo container wo kosua yi anti-mercy hair school 3 weeks pe na wo ne anti-mercy akon because of insubordination. Ma bena wo hoi ne master car asem a won tie wo kan ya no atwe na no te sepompo ma bena si na homa ma me no to ho anim ma bena ye sei na hey we ya ne ma bena bochenku guess ye we ai boys ye we area oni na ma bena ni wo bia number sitre nsu bi sa ma bena se wo nsusu atade a na akoya asem sa ma bena no na ekufo adoba wo mi apeso ma ne future na oje ne free agudifo we num nsam ti wo sei ko event na ko pekrata. And I NDC for me, Ebe Jimmy wa has a mobile kaya. Timothy Ahasa and I will lose on New Year fitting. Timothy, a kufuado do. Yet you are say, self fit and I will see ya. What the starting freeze a wood to boat? What is share tie? Yama, we are body wears kakra, we see we fitano. Yo, ya tea per se wow. Timothy, go and get that TVET certificate. Nantrell say, me. Timothy Ahasan, my certified mechanic. Me to me this type of mechanic. And then in 3 days, more almost say, on day for no, my ready, bagan, and say they have finally gotten the clearance to start bringing their machines down. And the Alasane and Kasai, ufitana waya, sebe. Obi a gearbox yamba unya juma yeno yes corner quiet then copy certificate tare hon e to honde for buy your car so oh ye here mechanical engineers by 3B okoya say please my name is Timothy Hassan I'm a mechanical engineer I'm a chemical engineer say na my say na my na akire you say oh impressive because it's simple Munko school amekodi kwasia we yet say free education for 19 no broni on fana djuma mount se woni paper misi kromu ha baba kra baba Ghana de anka baba de wona mo afes no na yi na ebi blade ne afen ne apesi les bi de ahye botom ne ya twa foam kakra eno no foam no kra no obi ba de awadu nsom ati ase a omode abeto abonten ne ya twa ne ya horo ho kakra ne ya de destin powder ekohwie o ma me destin powder kakra de egum na bag se ho na wo de nam obi at me you so we are certified so when me kai say ba baby ana me antima ne be yi ni tiri mo odin am wonwie na utiri hu ni na atwitwa kilalomi yenwie na ya sin utiri hu ni na atwitwa utiri hu ni na abro kire de yesi da bi ansa na wo de apaso okra be ka obi tiri fa certificate kire na Avram no ye nyansane a na mpaso pagana yi a ankoko ghetto no e den akobeka kire ghetto fo no level ye den brother mama mo hwe unim bibi ko school a yes you were opportunity kakra ye nim nkrofo kakra wa immunity betumi apekwan bi ya den e de amamo utna get to ha no ma yi a o say wo life hwe Akufo-Addo ye na ye obi ampenasem but or the free education aba o de try na ko bi kotworo hwe mama form 24 kra tworo kotworo bi hwe na hwe se usubenya den usubenya bibi te certificate bi de den e de ato ho a smart and a common sense guy would want his soldiers to be well equipped. And I'm a Ghana for when a well a real commander will want his troops to be well prepared. You set your people ready. You make your people ready. Me say Avram, what common sense family? So pewia, and cause switch a crap process. Say the common sense no they are to home. No person obey politics no, and go be engage people. Now me na me born pious and me say, yeah mom kwa no mo demonstration no. Nanka interior minister, police, military, one phone na omo head no, ye ni omo kasa. Na embebu no na omo di line no. And Avram no, omo di ani mo ye revo, and they be away, and the NDC for there. Omo no mo ye. Kwame Nkrumah say, met ha. Enti bra, womu Jimmy Kwame Nkrumah say, because anya dey bi abobo. Ya no ma lombo bi test na de ade na dey dokuna tight him. And ya say yellow shirt. Say you nko Jimmy wo street so. Na nkyere say Akufo Addo nya de. Yo yate. Ya no mo be ya abom. What you say? Into many interior minister na government now. And ko mu tisi kwan so omo kona no. Chairman do. Onim bi anka meye. Na ma said that kofa sebe ye soldier for attention for na ye de o ma to border no no say border for soldiers no omo ye different obi o hunu kura say we Ghana ni no ye nim hu tawe na nke ya peka kregu kem no ma bete station ho ye tu omu gusu omo ya yin say yo yate aban nate Avram yate oh my idea katekie mu bonse mamo ho say aban no wate mo se den adwuma ye be mamo adwuma Avram ye be mamu adwuma yes na mo boys ya mo hedi na wa o pass SS gina ha o pass JSS ye gina ha school no wan ko bisu agina ha wa ukura certificate for trebo gina ha ukura certificate for baba gina ha ukura certificate for nanka yan teacher mo ni yan twa mo ukura certificate mo ye dede no. Is somebody following? Because these people, they wouldn't go to Legon to go and get somebody who is doing their masters. Me say last no, I asked this question and some statistics we me person bia ukonako verify. You started say year 2 about Ghana since 92, and I'm very serious about this. Since 92, NDC omu wini wa campus bia so that whether vote out a university wherever camp bia ye kan ade a o ma dwema bia hu ade bia no NDC wini wa hot that is their track record. Ask anybody. Check it and come and tell me that I'm a liar. They always want the people who don't have the qualifications to do for no. They then acquire electricity or use a illegal connection.